Alright y'all, I am here with another video, and it's a PowrFlite video, as we can see. So yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff here on the carpet, and we're going to use the PowrFlite to clean it up. I believe it, yeah, it has a belt and brush roller in it. So here we go. Dust for you. Well, actually, it's not even dust at all. Yeah, we got such high levels of airflow with this, and there was actually a lot of ash there, so it slowed the belt up pretty badly. Plus, the belt's probably not that great, and I don't have any more. That's why you're not really seeing a whole lot of tests being done with these, because I'm so limited on not only what I can do, but on how much supply I have for them. Like, I legit have no supplies at all, and I have tried to actually get parts and stuff for them. Like, some need fans, others need quick clean chambers, quick clean chamber gaskets, and all that kind of stuff. But I just can't afford anything, and I do apologize that I haven't been able to do much. I'm also sorry I haven't been uploading as frequently as some may prefer, but I'm trying to get a lot of stuff settled on top of trying to do this. So anyway, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. If you haven't yet, you can donate through coffee and through super chats and super thanks comments, and you can also go to Patreon for uncensored reviews and more detailed vlogs. So yeah, and I am trying to get my website back online, so yeah, I do have a website. You can go to the About section and go there. You can also check out coffee. You can buy vacuums there as well. And yeah, until next time, bye y'all.